Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw crypto from ByBit to any other wallet. So let's for example go to our assets on our ByBit account, and from here you're just gonna click withdraw, just like so. Now you want to choose a cryptocurrency which you want to go ahead and withdraw. So for today let's choose for example maybe Solana. After that, as you can see, you need to enter the address where you want to send your Solana, and the network needs to be Solana. So you want to go ahead to another wallet. So for today, let's use Binance. And on Binance, you want to again go to wallets. It's really simple to ByBit actually. And you want to click deposit. On deposit, you want to search for a coin of Solana. Choose it. Choose a network Solana. After that, you will see the address. You want to again go back to ByBit, enter the address of Binance. You will enter it here, and then you're going to enter the amount which you want to go ahead and withdraw. And you will withdraw it to another wallet. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.